Hello and thank you for watching Creative Art Expressions with Sapphire C. In this video I'm going to show you how to do my beginner scarf pattern. And I do have other videos on how to do a slip knot, so I'll just end the chain. But I just want to start you out right here if you're a very beginner. I'm using a size H 5mm crochet hook. I cover it in plastic because I'm allergic to this stuff, so that's why it's covered in plastic, in case you're wondering. I'm using a size 4 medium worsted weight yarn. This one happens to be Red Heart Super Saver. And I'm going to do a slip knot, which I have another video linked if you need practice on that. And then, since I'm using the size 4 medium worsted weight yarn, I'm going to chain 192. If I was using the DK weight yarn, then I would chain 201. And really that doesn't matter at this point. You can make this scarf as long or as short as you want to. So you can just, if you want, chain as many as you know, and measure it around your neck or whoever's neck that you want to make this for. So I'm going to start with chaining 100, and really that should be 191, sorry. It doesn't really matter, but I just want to show you one of the techniques I use to keep count of my, trying to get the lighting right here, keep count of my chains. There's a shadow there, but okay. So I'm going to start with 10, and I also have another chain video, but okay, the light is just not right here. Okay. 1, you're just grabbing that and pulling it through. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, when I get to 10, to make it easier for me to count, I use one of these little stitch markers, and I mark that. I don't close it or anything, I just mark it. And then I do a tally mark on a piece of paper, or if you have a stitch counter, you can get those at a craft store, then you click it, and it's easy as that. But paper and pencil or pen works just as well. So then I know I have 10, and then I'm going to go 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then I'm going to go ahead and move that up another and mark it. Now if you can keep track of counting without marking that, that's fine. Just if you have interruptions, like I have children, so I could miscount, and it's helpful for me to not have to start all over again. We have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Move that up and mark it. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Move it up and mark it. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Move it up and mark it. Okay. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. And mark it. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Move that up. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. That mark it. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Getting closer. I'm just trying to get, I've just started moving my videos indoors, so I'm trying to get the lighting right. And it's not as good as outdoors, but trying to stay away from mosquitoes. And see, look at there, I don't even know what number I'm on. I think I'm on 100. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to 191. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Twenty-one, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Okay. Getting close. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. I'm going to go ahead and do 91 because that's all I need. Now, we have a long chain there for your scarf. Hope this has helped you, and then I will be back to show you how to do the first row of your scarf. Thank you for watching. Bye.